In this video, I'm going to talk about our raised beds and what we built them out of. We had potatoes planted in the ground the one year and most of them rotted. I had garlic planted in the ground the first year and most of those rotted. Actually, out of 50, only one grew, and it was the one highest up here. So yeah, the raised beds work great. Last year we had a awesome gardening season. It actually ended up being a pretty warm fall, and we extended our growing season another couple weeks, and we can take any length of time we can get that's extra like that. So yes, these are about a foot tall, and leveled them with best we could. Probably should have took more time to level out the ground underneath first, but Joe tilled it all up with the tractor, and then I basically just plopped these down. I leveled some of them out with rocks underneath, and then filled them with dirt, which we just skimmed the topsoil off from out in the edge of the floodplain here. It's pretty nice soil. Everything seems to be growing well. I haven't tested it, but there's a pile of topsoil there that we skimmed off when we did our little barn addition here, the little addition. So had Joe save me the topsoil there. Tons of organic matter in it. You know, we're in a hardwood bush here. There's lots of leaves rotting, that type of thing. So it's pretty good soil for never having been used for gardening before. But as you can see, everything seems to be growing quite well in it. So I'm itching to get out here, but it's still going to be a month or two before I'm in the garden. Our last frost date is usually around June 8th. So some hardier things I'll be planting the end of May, but most things will be staying inside until the first week of June, and our last frost is past. All right, just a quick little gardening video and going through what we built our raised beds with here. And I'm probably adding a couple more this year. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are 4x8. And then I have my compost one here. And then we just added this little guy just out of some scrap lumber that was left over. I got some asparagus growing in that one, so hopefully it does okay. And a little garden shed we built. So I'll probably end up adding, I say 2 more, I'll probably end up adding 4, 5 more, who knows. This whole area will be raised beds. All right, have a good day, everyone. Please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the thumbs up. Bye.